lot of rains today, but I think these rains have helped us to bring the temperatures down. So let's take things positively. And we are sorry about the mics. I hope I can be heard at the back. Guys at the back, can you please be a little bit quiet because we have to compare with our mics today. It's a good exercise though. So, on behalf of the Chikaling Bharat visitors, I welcome you all to this Maha Utsav today. It's so nice to see so many cheerful faces here, and I know people have traveled from far and wide to make it to this function today. I know of people who have come even from across the borders of Goa. So let's put our hands together for all of us. That was awesome. Well, we begin everything in the name of God. So today's function we will begin by the lighting of the traditional lamp. The lamp, it does give us light, but apart from giving us light, the lamp helps us enlighten our spirit. So when I call upon Sir Govind Gaude to please come to the stage with the honors. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for we have Sir Govind Gaude among us. He is the Honorable Minister for Arts and Culture, Government of Goa. Next on stage, I would like to call the special guest invited for today, Shri Francis Warke. Can I have Mr. Francis here? Mr. Francis, if you are around, please come to the stage. Mr. Francis, paging Mr. Francis. I was told he's somewhere around. Not there. Okay, I'm sorry, he's not been able to make it today. And we were supposed to have the guest of honor, Shri V.K. Upadhyaya, the Chairman and Managing Director of Goa Shipyards Limited. But due to some other commitments, he could not make it today. But he's deputed his beautiful wife, Mrs. Kamna. Mrs. Kamna, may I please call you to the stage? We have another couple here. Our guest of honor is Shri Mithu H.N. Mr. Mithu H.N. is accompanied by his wife, Ms. Sharanaya. Can I have you both on stage, please? I think I should hear some louder claps. We have a lot of guests here today. This is Mr. Mithu H.N. He is IPS, Superintendent of Police, Coastal Security, Karnataka. This is the gentleman who's traveled all the way from Karnataka to be part of this event. Let's put our hands together for the people. Okay, so
we have a special guest also to just invited to light the lamp, to make it into a very secular sort of this also please stay. He's come all the way from Mumbai, from the Parsi community. We have all the community.
माचेर येवंक मागता फादर मायकलान मागीर फादर मायकल आपलो फिगोरीचो भाव करूनय आपण कसोय तरी वेळ काडून चिकाली बाय क्रुसेडर्स हांचो सेक्रेटरी म्हणून पावता सगळ्यांनी ताण्याच्या गणगणात ताका येवकार दिवचो फादर मायकल असली दर
समेस्तान तुमकां देव बरी सांज आवडचे गरम गरम सगळ्याक गरमी पूण अकस्मात चड शीतळ वाग हे एक कारपणीक आसता ह्या कारपण्याच्या सुटयार आमच्या हांगासर एकठांय जाले आनी तेणी कशी काड संस्था येवं काडली आतां तुजो तो ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर तुमच्या रस्त्यान 8 एप्रिलच्या हे कोणाचे ट्रेडिशन आहे म्हणल्यार सुरवातीला त्या दिस आणि त्यातूनच काय त्यो भाग फावो जाले म्हाका खरेंच आमच्या गोंयांत ही आमची आर्ट एंड कल्चर आमची संस्कृताय सांबाळून जायतो तो आनी खरेंच आयज आमकां जायते भाग मेळटाले पळय शिकाली बायोप्रोजेक्टाच्या वयल्यान जायती वस्तू पळोवपाक जे पळय आमच्या गोंयांत उत्पन्न जालेल्यो पूण कांय कारणाक लागून आमकां ते चुकली तरी आसतना हांव करीत कशी काणजांतला वेलकम करता आमच्या इश्टाक ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर रोगटान आर्टिस्ट ते तशी आय वेलकम श्रीमती खाना युदायला spouse of Sri B.K. Dyer, Chairman of and Managing Director of Goa Shipyard Limited. I also welcome Mr. Mithun H.S.P. Postal Security Karnataka and his newly wedded welcome. And very unfortunate for us in this weather, we got this little relief. I also welcome Sunil Raichi, Director of Finance of GSM. I also welcome Mr. Francis Berti. In his father's memory, we have his trophy, running trophy, GC Berti. I therefore thank all of you. In this short, in spite of all this shortcoming of nature, we cannot control nature. So I thank all of you being patient and to enjoy this short program. Thank you.
देव बरें करूं फादर सो दॅट वॉज फादर मांगस विथ हिज स्मॉल स्पीच आणि आता तुमच्या मुखार येता श्री ब्राह्मण नरसिंह सातेरी चिकोलकर पातक चिकाली ऑफ बोंगोड घेवन तुमच्या मुखार धालो कितले जाणांक धालो आवडटा हाऊ मेनी ऑफ यू लाइक धालो वेरी गुड ओके मागता धालो ग्रुपाक हांवें मातशें माचेर येवं सगळेच नाचता तुमी ओके ऑल आयज टू दीस कॉर्नर प्लीज कॅन यू ऑल लुक ऑन दिस साइड बिकॉज हो जागो ताका पावस करूंक
I'm अर्जुनाचे नाव घेता पत्नी याला
कपाळाचा कुंकू हिरवा चुडा हाती कांताराव माझे पती सांगा माझं सौभाग्य किती
Well, that was a power-packed performance. Oh, what a level of energy they have shown here. खरेंच तुमकां जायतो मान फावो आनी तुमी जायतो टायम प्रॅक्टीस केला आसतलें आनी आमकां सगल्यांक अशें दिसलें की आमी लग्नाच्या माटवान आसा अशें आमकां दिसलें इतलो लायव्हली ताणी हो धालो वाखाणलो आनी एक फावटी सगल्यांनी ताण्याच्या गणगणात तांकां आनीकूय उमेद दिवची देव बरें करून धालो ग्रूप आनी जायते तुमी परफॉर्मन्सीस अशे दिवचे गॉड ब्लेस यू आतां तुमच्या फुड्यान येता घेवन फुगड्यो फुगड्यो पंगडा लागीं मागता मातशे फुडें येवं फुगड्यो बाय श्री नरसी सतीफ फुगडी महिला मंडळ चिकाले फुगड्यो पंगड माचेर येवचो Well guys, that was folk video. And now next we have the Morulo performance. Morulo performance is a pickup dance by Shampurus Kalapatak Bicholi. Let's welcome the dancers here on stage with loud applause. Tanacha Gormana Yoga Divya Morulo Ponga.
One of the best dancers in the world called K-pop.
असे दूर देशीतून आरधी आला बहादूर देशीतून आरधी आला
असे दूर देशीतून आरधी आला बहादूर देशीतून आरधी आला
असे चाले पाढ्याने मोर दळविला भात्यारे पाढ्याने मोर दळविला
असे सारे पाडन मोर दळविला बात्यारे पाडन मोर दळविला
असे उठोनी मोर बसला कलमवृक्षावरी उठोनी मोर बसला कलमवृक्षावरी
असे कोणी मोर बसला कलमवृक्षावरी कोणी मोर बसला कलमवृक्षावरी
असे कलमवृक्षावर बसून मोर गळवितो पिसे कलमवृक्षावर बसून मोर गळवितो पिसे
असे कलमवृक्षापासून मोर गळवितो पिसे कलमवृक्षापासून मोर गळवितो पिसे
असे सारे पिसे आम्ही भेटी आलो रे सारे पिसे आम्ही भेटी आलो
असे सारे पिसे आम्ही भेटी आलो रे सारे पिसे आम्ही भेटी आलो
असे पिसे माळून खेळी आलो रे पिसे माळून खेळी आलो
असे पिसे माळून खेळी आलो रे पिसे माळून खेळी आलो
असे म्हणतो मुरलो मनबाळा
असे म्हणतो मुरलो मनबाळा
असे म्हणतो मुरलो
असे म्हणतो मुरलो मनबाळा
असे मनबाळा काय मोरा पाण्याची गार
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 असे मोराची म्हणते सासे मोरीन असे गाते
असे मोराची म्हणले वासे मोरीन गदगद असे गाते
असे मोराची म्हणते सासे मोरीन असे गाते
असे मोराची म्हणले वासे मोरीन गदगद असे गाते
असे मोराची पडलो रडलो रे मोरीन होयो रे गाते
असे मोराची पडलो रडिलो रे मोरीन होयो रे गाते
असे मोराची पडलो रडलो रे मोरीन होयो रे गाते
असे मोराची पडलो रडिलो रे मोरीन होयो रे गाते
असे निशिदिनी आणि मनी नसे मोरा
असे बिचिनी मनी नसे मोरा
असे निशिदिनी आणि मनी नसे मोरा
असे बिचिनी मनी नसे मोरा
असे वंशो मुरलो मनबाळा काय
असे बंदो बंदो बंदोळा
असे मनबाळा काय मोरा पाण्याची गार
असे बंदोळा काय मोरा पाण्याची गार
असे मोराची म्हणले सासे मोरीन गदगद असे गाते
असे मोराची म्हणले वासे मोरीन
असे झाले रे मायेची उंच उंच देवळा
असे झाले मायेची उंच उंच देवळा
असे झाले रे मायेची उंच
असे झाले मायेची उंच उंच देवळा
असे भांगराच्या काळजाला शोधील चौरा
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 असे मायेची उंच उंच देवळा
असे वरवर वगळू करणारे निजवारू सावली सुंदर जाते माहेरा
असे वरवर वगळू करणारे निजवारू सावली सुंदर जाते माहेरा
असे वरवर वगळू करणारे निजवारू सावली सुंदर जाते माहेरा
तुझ्या मोजात घोरघोरी हसतोय ग
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 असे हळूहळू घोरघोरी माहेर 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 ग
असे भांगं हिलागरी असे तुला घोरघोरी भांगं हिलागरी भांगं हिलागरी असे भांगं हिलागरी
And after this performance, we are coming to the highlight of this day, the prize distribution ceremony. And to proceed with the function of this evening, may I call upon Miss Kavina Fernandez upstage. Can we get Kavina here? Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for this young girl, Kavina Fernandez. As I know her, I know that she's taking a lot of interest in the work of the Biocrusaders. She's been assisting her dad in the Barcode competition and much more. So once again, we appreciate your hard work, Kavina, and may you carry on this work always. Thank you.
Check. Okay. Hello. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Wishing you all a superb evening. I'm Kavina Fernandez, signing in as your comparer for this mega 4th edition of Parkare Kitete Sang. Well, and it's time for the results. Surprises and more surprises. Can guess any? And here we go. The winner of this year's edition, there being joint winners, the first and the second prize is shared between Mrs. Jacqueline Sequeira and Mrs. Raisa Fernandez. Since Mrs. Raisa Fernandez is out of station and the trophy is being handed over to Mrs. Jacqueline Sequeira along with prize money and certificate. Now, I would like to call upon the chief guest of this function, Shri Govind Gaure, Honorable Minister for Art and Culture, Government of Goa, to kindly do the honors. I request the President of Chikali Bank Crusaders to kindly escort the chief guest and the other guest of honors. I request Mrs. Jacqueline Sequeira to please come up on the stage. Please give a huge round of applause. I now request the chief guest of this function, Shri Govind Gaure, Honorable Minister for Art and Culture, Government of Goa, to kindly hand over the prize money, certificate and memento to the third prize winner, Shri Albert Chekis. I request Shri Albert Chekis to please come on the stage. Shri Albert Chekis, please come on the stage. Thank you, sir. I now request Srimati Kamna Upadhyay, spouse of Shri B.K. Upadhyay, Chairman and Managing Director of Goa Shipyard Limited, to hand over the prize money, mementos and certificate to the runners-up. I request the runners-up to please come on the stage as I call out your names. Remedios Fernandez from Margao, Angelo Jesus led PH Merchant Navy, Jovito Fernandez, Thank you, ma'am. I now request Shri Mithun H.N. IPS, Superintendent of Police, Coastal Security, Karnataka, to do the honors. Meeta Francisca Da Costa from Pungolim. Maria Olga Pirish from Ponda. Melvita and Braganza from Belgaum. Joan D'Souza, the youngest winner from Kurtori. Austin Fernandez. Shri Cyril Fernandez, President of Chikali Fire Crusaders, to kindly present our quiz masters to the audience.
देवरी सांगते sorry, unfortunate, एक example, okay? So you have to bear with us, and we will now go ahead and give this mementos to our quiz masters. ज्यांचे लागून पारपणे कॉम्पिटिशन जावपाक पावता. आमकां जर क्विज मास्टर्स ना क्विज घालपाक पारपणे घालपाक जाल्यार कॉम्पिटिशन जायना. सो हांव एक एकटे मागता आमचे पळय क्विज मास्टर्स आहात आनी मुखार येवचे आनी तांची एक ल्हानशी आमची भेट आहा ती तुमी घेवची. पयलो क्विज मास्टर हांव आपयता हांगा तो आमचो ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर बाब गोविंद गावडे. ताणें बी पारपणे गायले. तो मागता आमचे बाय विनी फर्नांडीस आनी सराक आमचे चिकाली फायर क्रुसेडर्स तर्फे एक ल्हानशी भेट दिवची. सर पारपणे उदार सापला.
म्हजे बाळपणे अशें आशिल्लें, उठ्ठा पूण सुकणें न्हय, उठ्ठा पूण सुकणें न्हय, फुट्टा पूण बॉम्ब न्हय. कितें तें सांग. उत्तर. येस, थँक्यू. बरोबर.
नेक्स्ट आमचे मदें आहा पारपणे गायल्ले बाय टेसी नोरोना. आनी बाय टेसी नोरोना फकत पारपणेच घालूंक ना पूण आमकां आनी 15 विश्वाची गोंयकारां जंय जंय शिपडले आहात ताणें आमकां दिली ही पारपणी घालपाक. एक कुवेट रावन ताणें 15 गोंयकारांक एकठांय केली आमच्या आदराक. बाय टेसी नोरोना. नेक्स्ट बाय जून आहा आमचे मदें. जून साम सुद्धा येयल्ली ती पावसा लागून गेली. आओ प्लीज कम. दिस इज द यंगेस्ट क्विज मास्टर ऑफ दिस इयर. 7 वर्साचे आनी ताणें पारपणे गायल्ले आनी तेय दिन क्रिसमस डे पारपणे आमचे आहले फॉर जून. सो गिव हर अ बिग हँड. Adil, can I have you on the stage, please? Adil and Dagma. Dagma, Adil, and Cynthia. Next quiz master, आमचो secretary आणि खांबो चिकाली फायर क्रुसेडर्सांचो Father Michael Alilui Fernandez. Dagma, please come on the stage. Dagma, you do the honors for Chikali Fire Crusaders. Janet Rodriguez from Sweden, somebody is there on her behalf. Wait. Yeah, Anthony 4, 5, 6. Regina is receiving this certificate and memento on behalf of Janet Rodriguez. This parpane came for us all the way from Sweden. Thanks to Regina. Regina only arranged it. Then, on behalf of Maria Sirvula Gomez, there is someone I think will receive the Ria Gomes. Yeah, please come. She is going to take on behalf of Ria Sirvula Gomez. There is also someone representing Helen Fernandez, I suppose. Please come forward. Kristen, taking on behalf of Helen Fernandez. Helen Fernandez was from USA. This parpane came from USA. Then we had a parpane coming from Australia. That to our own Gaon boy, Kathleen Silvera. And I would request the brother to come up and take this on her behalf. Kathleen Silvera. Thank you, Kenneth. Next is Simon De Silva. I think there's somebody representing Simon De Silva. आमचे वास्कोची भयण. Next is Leanne Rodriguez. Anybody is there representing Leanne Rodriguez from Sweden? Then we have Linda Fernandez. Anybody is going on behalf of Linda Fernandez? Next is Gabriel Castro. This is for Linda Fernandez. And Matthew Nicolaso will take for Gabriel R. Castro. Gabriel from Bahrain. Melita Norana. Okay. Tessie will take for Melita Norana. These are all abroad. So there is somebody representing them and taking on their behalf. Only Tessie has come specially because of this program all the way from Kuwait to have us. Adil is there. Adil. Cynthia. Cynthia, you please come. Cynthia D'Souza is Kenneth's better half and a strong supporter of Shikali Bible Crusaders. Mario Pereira. Mario was here. Mario Pereira. Mario Demasco. Bella Culasso. I think somebody is going to take on behalf of Bella Culasso. Okay. We have someone coming on behalf of Bella Culasso. Bella Culasso is from UK and someone from Doha, Qatar is receiving on her behalf. Then we have our own Kavina Fernandez. It's her turn now to receive this memento on behalf of Shikali Bible Crusaders. Gracie Rodriguez from Nabiling, Ake Nabiling. Fernanda, can you please come on stage? Gracie Rodriguez from Ireland. She is also my school and classmate in school. Fernanda, you please do the honors for us. Anybody representing Maria Diaz from Cabelosi? Maria Diaz. Sebi Suarez, one more classmate of mine from Navili, Rosary High School. Please come forward. Maria Diaz. Maria Diaz was from Cabelosi. Come. And she has come to receive on the behalf. Sebi Suarez from Rosary High School. Is an ex-teacher, retired as teacher. Melvita and Briganta. Then next we have Dr. Sam. Melvita and Briganta is receiving it on her behalf. Dr. Sam James Briganda. Dr. Sam comes from a pedigree of family which gave Goa the first mountaineering movie, Mogato Amlo. His grandmother was a producer, director and also acted in it. Then we have the most beautiful youngest lady of today's evening and of our Parkwade also, Maria Grasmila Fernandez. And you will be shocked at the length of her hair. that she will present now to you. She presented the Parpade, दादलेले मोडवे बायलाले लांब. Parpade was दादलेले मोडवे बायलाले लांब. And she shook her hair. So सगळे म्हणा लागले केस 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 म्हणून. Which was not the correct answer. The correct answer was Popayo. दादली Popeye आणि बायलो Popeye. She is Grasmila. Jovita D'Souza was here, but I think she must have left. Jovita is here. Okay, Jovita, please come forward. Jovita is from Kurtori. She is the mother of baby. Was our youngest, June baby, and also her son was one of the runners-up. Maisie Fernandez Dorado, Akila was supposed to receive, I think she's not there. Then next is Ladu Shamba Pawar, who presented the Parpade. Ladu is a well-known artist, folk artist of Goa, and a master who teaches folk dances. Even today, Dalo was trained, he trained them. Then we have Vinny Fernandez, a Scotch bio-crusader. Please come forward. Suzanne, madam, please come and do the honors. Please do the honors on behalf of Shikali Maya presenters and hand over the memento. Next, Maya Moraskar, Devidas Janu Gaonkar, Dr. Cosmo Fernandez. Anybody representing Dr. Cosmo Fernandez? We have Cynthia Limaleta taking this on behalf of Shikali Maya Crusaders. Madam Cynthia, please come forward. The last Parpade was put by Shikali Maya Crusaders group. So she is receiving it on our behalf. Today's decor, which got washed away, was all her beautiful idea. She is the spirit, everything behind Shikali Maya Crusaders. I would request Essie to do the honors now for some of the Maya Crusaders. Just hand over the mementos. Cynthia D'Souza, please come forward. Suzanne D'Souza, Acosta, Emma. Cynthia D'Souza. Next is Suzanne Acosta, Emma Mascarenas. Next is Gladys. Emma, please come up. Suzanne, please come up. Adil Gadiali. Gladys, please come up. Dagma, please come up. Gaspar and Fatima also please come up. Eric Carvalho, please come up. John. Dagma. Gaspar and Fatima. Gaspar. Harry and John. Adil Gadiali is gone. We have Philu Dias from Canada, who is here among us, I just follow. Philu Dias, please come up to take a memento. And Bunty Vaz also, please come up to take a memento. Bunty's mother is here. Philu Dias, she is more known as Teacher Philu. And from Canada, she presented her Parpade for us in this competition. She was arranged by Tessie.
She is my school teacher actually. She now is a retired teacher but living in Canada. And she's come all the way to receive the award as well. Put your hands together for the teacher.
Thank you, Philu. Bunty Vaz, I think we have her mother. Thank you, madam. Bunty Vaz is in UK. So we have done with the quiz masters. I would request Mr. Kenneth to please come up. We have small mementos for our chief guest and guest of honor. Chief guest and guest of honor. Kenneth, please come up. So, please come up. Mr. Govind Gowde, Honorable Minister for Art and Culture. Mr. Francis Varkey is not here now. So I call now the SP of Postal Security and a guest of honor, Mr. Mithun H.N. IPS. Please come and receive a small gift from Shikali Bike Crusaders for coming and joining us on this occasion, sir. Please put your hands together for Mr. Mithun. He's come for this occasion all the way from Karnataka. He is my customer boss. Mrs. Kamna Upadhyay, madam, please come and receive this small gift from us. Mr. Edwin Praganza. Mrs. Naskaran is telling to the honor. Came up for Edwin Naskaran. Remy Barreto. These are all our patrons who have supported this function of ours. Raj Bhandari is not there. Sylvester D'Souza from Sheila Marai Restaurant. Mr. Gautam Lamani. Akash Suryavanshi. Akash Suryavanshi. You know, we are oldies, sir. आम्ही सगळे जाणटे झाले आणि आताचे भुरगे. Suryavanshi is a content maker and reel maker, reel. And we asked him to make one reel for us to advertise our Parpade competition. And that reel reached 1 lakh viewers. A small advertisement. Thanks to Akash. A small gift Akash. Advocate Railo Pianar Kepkar, a spirit behind Shikali Bike Crusaders. Ritam Zalmi sir येऊन ना. येऊन ना. तर येऊन ना. दीप्ती चोडणकर Okay, now we are felicitating 3 people who made an impact for this year's Arpade competition. And the first one whom we are felicitating at the hands of our chief guest, Sri Govind Gaude, is Tessie Norona. As I have already told you, the reason we are felicitating Tessie Norona, she single-handedly helped Shikari Bai Crusaders to arrange 15 quiz masters of Goan origin from across the world to present the Konkani riddles in the course of the 4th edition. Her contribution led to the successful completion of the heritage contest and its prize distribution. This certificate is offered to her for her enthusiasm, dedication, sincere approach, and unlimited passion to promote the cause of Konkani language. Thank you, Tessie. The second recipient of our felicitation is Sri Ladu Shamba Pawar. Sri Ladu Shamba Pawar is a performing artist who presents and preserves traditional Goan folk songs, theatre and dance. He has performed in more than 5,100 places in India and abroad. He has received the Goa State Best Social Worker Award and the National Best Poet Elegant Award also. And he is a guide and mentor to Shikari Bai Crusaders. Today's Dalo was set by him, trained by him, today's Dalo. And the third recipient of today is Master Presley Pedro Di Costa. Is Master Presley here? Okay, Master Presley is not here. And finally, we are going to offer something from our heart, from Shikari Bai Crusaders' heart, to the man who stood by us for 2 years. And that is the Art and Culture Minister, Sri Govind Gaude. If it was not for him, this program this year and last year would not have happened. And it is only because he helped us. We didn't even know that we could get funds from the department. Because he came out of his way and said, go ahead, I am there to support you. But today he waited so late just because he loved the tradition, the culture of Goa, the heritage of Goa. And this gift for us has been done by one of our Chiklekar, Presley, who has not turned up. This is a special gift, Mr. Ramji Tuka. Ramji कागदांतल्यान आमी केल्ल्या अमाक्ता बाय सिंध्या मिरांदा पासून मुखार येवचे. ताणें भरपूर इंट्रस्ट घेतला गिफ्ट तयार करपाक. आनी हो स्पेशल गिफ्ट आमचो सर तुका. He is the winner of the portrait competition this year in our College of Art, Amjad. And he has painted this for you. And he has the outfit, Parpade. This was the outfit he wore when we presented the Parpade. He has all portraits of Shivaji in his house, which I have observed. So I wanted something change, and we got our own artist. He's just 18 or 19 years old who has painted this, hand painted.
सगळ्यांक म्हजो मायमोगाचो नमस्कार. खूपच उशीर जाल्लो आसा हें आमकांय खबर आसा, पूण निसर्गाच्या मुखार आमचे काही शाणपण चलना आणि म्हणूनच निसर्गाक धरून काही गोष्टी करप हे तितलेच महत्वाचे असतात आणि म्हणूनच चिकालीन बायो क्रुसेडर्स हेणी आमची आयडेंटिटी राखपा खातीर जे पावल उबारलेले असतात ताचे खातीर हांव तांचे खूब मनापासून अभिनंदन करता आणि आभार व्यक्त करता की गोंय ल्हानशें राज्य आसा ज्या राज्यान भितर हो जो हिरवीगार आमी दोंगर पळयतात किंवा आमी दर्यो पळयतात सरे वजरे भाटां बेसां शेतां आमी पळयतात ते राखून दवरपा खातीर आनी तातूंतल्यान मेळिल्ली दुर्मीळ वस्तू ज्यो आसात दुर्मीळ पदार्थ जे आसात ते म्हाका दिसता जो युनिक कॉन्सेप्ट आज घेवन आयिल्लो आसा त्या बद्दल सिरील बाब आनी एंटायर बायो क्रुसेडर ब्रिगेड आसाचे हांव मनापासून आभार व्यक्त करता तुमच्या सगळ्या खातीर एक म्हजे वतीन हांव ते बसलो फादर मायकल बाबान म्हणिल्लें आसा की आर्टिस्ट एक लायन तुमच्या खातीर पर्वतार चाफो रे फुलला चिकालीन बायो क्रुसेडर्साचो महोत्सव सजला थँक्यू हो महोत्सव म्हाका दिसता एक गोंयान भितर युनिक असो महोत्सव आज 7 वर्सांच्या कारकिर्दीत भितर हांव संपूर्ण गोंयानूच न्ही तर अख्ख्या महाराष्ट्र कर्नाटका दिल्ली सारकेल्या हरियाणा सारकेल्या हेचे चीफ गेस्ट म्हणून वता म्हणजे संकल्पना आज आमचो सिरील बाब आणि बायो क्रुसेडर्साचे सगळे मेंबर्स घेऊन आयिल्ले आसात ते खरोखरच वाखडण्याजोगी आसा ते कौतुकास्पद आसा आणि म्हणूनच आयडिया एक ॲडव्हर्टिजमेंट आसा की आयडिया तो बदलतो दुनिया एक मोबायलाची ॲडव्हर्टिजमेंट आमी प्रिपेड कार्ड वापरतात ताजेर खरोखरच आयडिया येवप हे तितलेच महत्वाचें आसा आणि जितल्यो आयडिया मना भितर जितल्यो संकल्पना येतल्यो तितलेच आमचे हेरिटेज जे आसा आपलें ट्रेडिशन जे आसा ताका भितर एक गिरस्तकाय वाडटली ताजे भितर एक रिचनेस मुखार येतलो आनी म्हाका दिसता हो जो रिचनेस मुखार येवपा खातीर आनी खास करून द पीपल हू हॅव बीन पार्टिसिपेटेड फ्रॉम द एंटायर ग्लोब इज व्हेरी मच एप्रिशिएबल बिकॉज though they are not in the state of this tiny Goa but they are looking for our Goa and they are saving the culture and the heritage of our Goa. That is the biggest and that is the appreciation part. So I thank each and everyone who have been participated in this Parkoni Mahotsav. आणि असोच तरेचो हो महोत्सव हेच्यापेक्षा मोठो फुलोवपा खातीर मोठो धोलपा खातीर म्हाका दिसता प्रत्येक गोंयकारांनी तातूंत भितर रस घेवप हें तितलेंच महत्वाचें आसा आणि जितली हेची पब्लिसिटी जातली जितली हेची प्रसिद्धी जातली त्या वेळाचेरूच ह्यो सगळ्यो काही गोष्टी आमी करपाक शकतात या पारकोणेच्या महोत्सवाच्या बरोबर आमचे सांस्कृतीक हें दायज आसा म्हज्या महिला भगिनींनी फुगडी घातली धालो घातल्यो आणि त्याच बरोबर त्यांचा जो स्टॅमिना जो आसा आणि आमचे आजचे जे युवक जे आसात तरणाटे तांणी आमच्या संस्कृतीची गुडी आज आपल्या खांद्याचेर घेतिल्ली आसा हे खरें गोंयचें खाशेलपण आसा आणि म्हणूनच आमचे दायज जे आसा आमची पारंपरिकता जी आसा ती आज जगाच्या नकाशाचेर पाविल्ली आसा तितलीच तारखेर आमचो हो गोंय आज कला आणि संस्कृतीच्या मळाचेर जगाच्या नकाशाचेर धोलता आणि तो उलयता तो गायता तुमच्या सगळ्यांच्या आवाजान त्याच्या फाटल्यान एकूच कारण आसा जे आमच्या पूर्वजांनी जे आमच्या आजा पंजांनी ही कला तुमच्या आमच्याकडे स्वाधीन केली आसा आणि त्याचे संवर्धन करप त्याचे रक्षण करप हे आमचे तुमच्या सगळ्यांचे आज कर्तव्य जावन आसा त्या कर्तव्याची जाण त्या कर्तव्याची भान तुमकां आमकां सगळ्यांक आसा म्हणून आज मांडो सारकेलो फेस्टिवला भितर आणि मांडो सारकेलो प्रकार आज तुमकां आमकां पळोवपाक मेळटा म्हणून परत एकदा सगळे आर्टिस्ट जे आसा जे नमन घातिल्ले ते सगळे म्हणजे जाणते सगळे जाणकार जे आसा आणि बाकीचे सगळ्यांच्या मनापासून कला आणि संस्कृतीक मंत्री आसात हांव मनापासून अभिनंदन करता चड वेळ उलयत आसतना हांव तुमकां सगळ्यांक देवान बरें करचें आरोग्य आनी यश प्राप्त करून दिवचें हेच मागता आणि सिरील बाबाचो जो कॉन्सेप्ट आसा एंटायर ताजी फॅमिली आणि ताजे फ्रेंड्स ताजे मोदी जे आहात खरं म्हणल्यार सिरील बाब हो एक रायटर जावन आसा आनी हांव सदांच परत एकदा तुमकां सगळ्यांक सांगता माय टायनी गोवा माय स्वीट गोवा आनी म्हजो हो सुंदर असो सोबीत अशें गोंय हें सांबाळपाची जबाबदारी म्हजेरूच न्ही तुमचे आमचे सगळ्यांचे आसा आनी जे गिरेस्तकाय जे आसा गोंयचे हें सांबाळप तितलेंच महत्वाची गोष्ट आसा आनी म्हणूनच बायो प्रोजेक्ट आसतना ही जी इनिशिएटीव केल्ली आसा ती मच मोर एप्रिशिएबल आसा आय वन्स अगेन थँक्स एंड कॉंग्रॅच्युलेट टू ईच एंड एवरीवन फॉर पुटिंग दिस हार्ड एफर्ट एंड गिविंग द बेस्ट इन मेंटेनिंग द ट्रेडिशन ऑफ दिस स्टेट ऑफ गोवा थँक यू व्हेरी मच
Please wait back on the stage. Thank you so much for your wonderful words. Over to Srimati Winnie Fernandez, member of Chicali Bio Crusaders.
In the same breath, I acknowledge a distinct and extraordinary personality amongst us, the master brain who worked tirelessly to make this competition happen for the last 4 years without any expectations, without any returns. He does not need any introduction. He is the president of Chicali Bio Crusaders and my better half, Sri Fernandez. He has given a chance to all the Goans in Goa and outside Goa to revive this literary heritage of Goa. He has given a chance to all of you, all the quiz masters, to come before the big screen, and it's a tireless job. I appreciate, and we all of us, on behalf of the Bio Crusaders, we appreciate his efforts, and please help me to cheer him with a huge round of applause. And I request a proud and loving mother to do the honors with floral bouquet. Please come on stage. This is a genuine gesture. Thank you, Mohit. Thank you so much, and thanks to my also. Over to Kavita.
Thank you, sir. And it's time to thank all our dignitaries, special guests,
I wish you all the best, dear girls, and may you perform many more. आणि आता आमचो लास्ट परफॉर्मन्स आम्ही गोंयकार आणि मांडो आणि दुधपद नासतना आमची फेस्तां आणि आमची फोक्सां सवनाय तेच खातीर आयज आमचे मुखार आसा आयज आमचे सांगातक आसा मांडो आणि दुधपद ग्रुप the award-winning group. Any guesses? The award-winning group of Goa is so famous in Goa. Any guesses? Any guesses? Kuttur is the right answer. We have the Kutturkaris here to perform the traditional mando. Tanecha Gondara and Amitamka Yoga Dunya. Excuses for the improper speaking.
Thank you.
पुण्यवान करतरी पुण्यवान मनशांना पुण्यवान करतरी पुण्यवान मनशांना आपल्या म्हणजे कितीच मोठ्यापणा निरंतरिता आपल्या सगळ्या सरदारी दिसतेपणा महाराजे गोयांचे मोठ्याने फुलपणा महाराजे गोयांचे मोठ्याने फुलपणा चंद्रबिडर